Hey warrior, stop overcomplicating affiliate marketing. If you've been watching videos, downloading checklists, trying to piece together what this whole affiliate thing is, and still feeling slightly confused, this is for you. You're not bad at this. You're overwhelmed. And most beginners quit not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because nobody slowed it down enough for them to actually understand it. So today, I'm going to break this down in a way that you could explain to your sister, your best friend, or your teenager. No tech panic, no hype, no 6 figures in 6 minutes nonsense. Just clarity. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe because every week I break down income strategies in a way that works in real life, especially if you're building around kids, responsibilities, and limited time. All right, let's start simple. Affiliate marketing is referral marketing. That's it. You recommend something helpful, someone else purchases it through your unique link, and you earn a commission. You do not create the product. You do not ship the product. You do not handle refunds or customer service. You are the bridge. That's your role. And that's where beginners get tripped up. They think they have to be the expert. They think they have to convince people. And they think they have to pressure sell. No. Your job is to connect someone to something that helps them. That's it. Let me give you an example. If your friend asks you what blender you love, you just tell her the brand. And she buys it because she trusts you. That is affiliate marketing, just without the commission. Affiliate marketing simply adds a tracking link to that recommendation. That's all. Now let's talk about how affiliates actually get paid, because this is where people's brains start to spiral. When you join an affiliate program, you receive a unique tracking link. That link has a code embedded in it that identifies you. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, the system tracks it. Depending on the company, you may earn a flat commission like $20 per sale, or a percentage like 20% of the purchase price. Some companies pay monthly, some require you hit a minimum before they pay out, and some have refund windows before commissions are finalized. That's normal. That's not complicated. It just sounds complicated because it's unfamiliar. And unfamiliar does not mean impossible. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Where do affiliate links actually go? Because if your only strategy is post the link and hope, you will burn out fast. Affiliate marketing works best when it is layered into content that educates, inspires, or solves a problem. You teach first, you link second. For example, if you use a course that helped you overcome fear, you don't just post, here's my link. You share what you struggled with, what changed, what result you experienced, who it's for, who it's not for. That's ethical marketing. You are giving context, and context builds trust. Now, let's talk about the biggest beginner mistake I see. Trying to build 12 ecosystems at once. Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, email, TikTok, blog, Facebook, Threads, LinkedIn. Stop. If you are new, choose one main platform. Learn how to speak clearly there. Learn how to create consistently there. And learn how to build connection there. Then layer in email. That's it. Content, email, offer. That is a beginner ecosystem. You do not need automation software explosions. You do not need complex funnels. You do not need paid ads. You need clarity, consistency, and courage. And here's the mindset reframe I want you to hold on to. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. You are allowed to be a beginner. You are allowed to learn publicly, and you are allowed to grow into this. The women who are successful in affiliate marketing, they weren't born knowing this. They started messy, they reframed, they improved. And you can too. If this helped calm your brain and simplify things, I want you inside my school group. Inside, you can grab my free affiliate starter and fearless selling bundle, which walks you step by step through choosing your first offer, setting up your link properly, and overcoming the fear of being seen. And I also have my free Fearless Affiliate Income Accelerator waiting for you there. Drop a comment below and tell me, what part finally made sense today? Was it the tracking link explanation, the ecosystem simplification, or the reminder that you don't need to know everything? I read every comment, and I'll see you inside. You're not behind, you're just beginning. And that's powerful.